YouTube. So today I'll be teaching you how to the best way to propagate sundews. You can get up a collection very quick just from one leaf. You can separate it into multiple pieces. And first, step one, get a nice newly formed sundew leaf. This is Dichotoma giant. Any species will work except for Drosera regia and Burmii or something, whatever that's called. The rest of the species, leaf cuttings will work and they're very fast. So cut them into around 1-inch segments, and so it should look like this. So it should like that. So you have all of these 1-inch segment and put them in pure distilled water and mark the date. Make sure the tentacles facing up and floating in the water. After around a month, it should bud. When it buds, I'll give you an example. Right here, this is a spatulata sundew. And you can see there's a small green bud. And once sprouted, after around, let's say, after around 10 months or like a year, for Cape Sundew capensis, when you took in the leaf and budded it, and immediately when you put in water, after a year, the plant should be this big. All of these are year-old cuttings, and for the Dichotoma giant sundew, after after half a year, it should be all this big. And here's the biggest one. Just from a leaf cutting, they originally all look like that. And yeah, so hopefully you find this helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, and like and subscribe.